How to add audio spectrum in Capcut. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add audio spectrum in Capcut. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. First thing, open your Capcut application, open up your existing project, or maybe you could go with a new one. And as you have gone with the existing project, make sure that you've not selected the project in the timeline. And now what you want to do is simply swipe towards your left and look for stickers icon. When you look for stickers here on the search bar, what you want to do is type in audio spectrum, or you should just go ahead and type in audio. And when you go to audio, you want to simply scroll down, and right in between you could find these audio spectrum. Click that out. Now here you could go ahead and enable this. You could go ahead and add it something like this, adjust it to the frame. And as you're done with that, you could then go ahead and drag and drop. Now if you play the video, here you have. And if you want to expand this, you could just press on it and just drag it along the timeline until the video ends, and that's all. So that is how you could add an audio spectrum in Capcut. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.